Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. Let's make something with this beautiful Loveland collection from Scrap Boys. As you might follow me on my other social media, you know that I am a guest designer for Scrap Boys, and I truly love and adore this Loveland collection. So this is my inspiration for you. And this time I've decided I'm gonna make a money envelope. So I've cut my elements which I will be using on my money envelope, and I've created the base myself. So my base measure 9.5 centimeter by 14 centimeters. So I have two pieces like this, and then my flap inside is 6 centimeters by 14, and the flaps which I'm going to glue down is just 1 centimeter. So feel free to use the same template of the same size as what I've got. And now I'm just using the corner punch to punch my corners to round them. Because this project is gonna be just so simple, so plain, I mainly will be working on this collection, so you really don't need much work going on here. As you can see, I've added double-sided tape on hand before, and I also wrote down where my piece is going to be stick on this base, so I will not lose the balance where my paper is going to go and keep the all harmony. So I will just carry on punching my corners, and once my corners been punched out, been round, I will move on and create further elements. It seems like my paper trimmer blade is a little bit old now, so I'm thinking to replace that because it's leaving a little bit rough edges when I'm cutting my paper. So to add extra interest to my paper, I've decided I'm gonna just distress the edges a little bit further, so it will look all balanced and all will be looking good together. So I will just work on that and come back to you in a minute once I've distressed all the edges. So here they are, all my papers are distressed. Now I will just attach all the pieces together and we'll work on my composition. So I'm gonna just leave you with the music now because the process is just so simple to follow, and I will meet you at the end of the video. Meanwhile, I will be using the beautiful chipboard from a Bloomar design, beautiful frame, which I will emboss with clear embossing powder from Wow Embossing company, using also Wow Embossing pad. I also made a flower mirror flower. It's made with Lady E dies, and the center of my flower is from 14 Craft Bar. I'll give you all the links in the description box below if you may fancy do any shopping. So enjoy the process, and I will meet you at the end of the video. it is. This is my money envelope, what I've created using this beautiful Loveland collection. I've got this £20 which I'm going to put inside, and I've got this beautiful space there which I'm going to write the message, and it's ready to be gifted for any of your loved ones, any of your friends, or even post over wherever you feel. So this is everything for today. I hope you enjoy this, and I will talk to you super soon. Till the next time. Bye for now.